My name is John Andleman. I work for a company called Citrix. I'm a database engineer and I do all kinds of things with data, big data, small data, operational stuff, analytical stuff, pretty much anything that has to do with data. I would definitely recommend HPCC Systems to anybody who has this kind of a big data problem where they're wanting to crunch a lot of data and look for insights in that data. I think it's the best tool out there. HPC Systems software is something that we've been using to do a number of big data projects, doing analysis of the vast amounts of data we have. So I really started experimenting with it a couple years back, and we've used it for a number of projects. I chose HPCC after trying the traditional Hadoop stack. We started off with in the Oracle world and realized it wouldn't scale to the kinds of data that we were working with. And so the next thing naturally was to go take a look at Hadoop. And after spending a little bit of time, I decided it really wasn't something I wanted to deal with. It was just way too complicated and was not a very good tool as far as productivity went. So I continued my search and I discovered HPCC. And I've been really happy with it. I've been really happy with HPCC because the environment is really designed specifically to work with data, for doing data analysis, data crunching, data wrangling. It's really good at it. It's designed specifically for that. So it makes me productive. I can do pretty much anything I want, and it does it very efficiently. I worked on a number of projects with it, but one of them that was, I guess where I would say we were really talking about big data was where we were processing data in log files. We had probably about 1 terabyte of log data, and it was text data, and we had to pull out really billions and billions of pairs of statistics and then analyze that and compare that against other data, some of which came from spreadsheets, some of it which came from Oracle databases. And it was just a lot of data, and there's no way I could have done that efficiently or done it well with any other platform. There was just so much, it extracted the content I needed, it did all the analysis, it munged it together, and it gave me the information I wanted, so it was very good. The nice thing about it is it's actually very easy to learn. So the big project I just mentioned, we actually had 4 days to go through. It was a hack week project we had at work. And so I got a team, there was a team of 5 of us, and I knew HPCC, I'd been using it for a couple of years, and the rest of them had never seen it. So within a day's time, they were all productive in developing with it, which I think is really impressive, because I know if it had been Hadoop or something like that, it probably would have been spending weeks and weeks trying to figure out how to use it. So people were able to hit the ground running. It doesn't take a lot to get productive with it.